Joining us now is Sneha Mordani. Sneha, we all know the kind of pollution we've been facing for last few days has been either in poor, severe or severe plus category. Now, the curbs that the government is talking about, is that going to impact the pollution quality? And also, how is this pollution impacting the health of the Delhi citizens?
No, Anjali, because I just want to kind of answer that question a little in a few moments from now. I just want to tell you that this is what the Delhi government is doing for Delhi. But we know that just because it's Delhi doesn't mean the people living in the NCR region are not impacted. It's actually because of the geographical location, the similar kind of air quality where we are right now in Noida, essentially. So if the CAQM had implemented all of this and said all of this, it would be applicable to the NCR, not just Delhi. But because this is the Delhi government that is saying it, it's only going to be applicable to Delhi. So cars in Noida can continue polluting the way they do, which we see very often. There have to be stricter rules implemented in Noida and other parts of the national capital region as well, because that's a problem area, coordination with all the agencies, and also because the air here, if it's polluting, it's also going to have an impact on Delhi. So there has to be a larger perspective to look at the national capital region, not just at Delhi city. Having said that, PUC certificates are absolutely mandatory. I wish it was mandatory throughout the year, not just during the winter months when we are breathing poison, so that really makes a little bit of a difference when throughout the year you allow people to get away. In fact, even in the winter months, people are getting away, and that really is no secret. That implementation is a big problem. You do stop people and check if the emission pipes are throwing out smoke, but there are many vehicles which have not the PUC done. They may not be throwing out smoke, but the quality of the vehicle in terms of the pollution certificates would not be in order. So that needs to be done throughout the year. One step, actually two things that I kind of welcome from what Sirsa said is that he did say it's not a problem that can be solved in a few months, which is thankfully acknowledgement that this is a long-term solution that we need to look at in one way or the other. That's a way of looking at it. The other thing that he said is control of burning fossil fuels, and providing these electric heaters for people who have to work at night, work outside, security guards, etc. It's cold, and they would need these electric heaters. And providing 10,000 electric heaters is a great step. Of course, a lot of jokes around tandoors being banned in Delhi, but I have to say that this is really a great step. When you cut the source of emission, which is burning coal, then you do yourself a favor, because that is what leads to a lot of pollution. So these small steps work. I only wish it should have been done much earlier, not now,
Right.
because it really appears to be, some sort of a band-aid solution. Like I said, at the end
Absolutely.
of the day, a long-term solution is what really is required.
Absolutely. And that long-term solution or plan, if it is developed, it should be shared with the public as well, so that they are also able to give their opinion and are aware. Thank you very much, Sneha, for joining us.